Hi, my name is Jerica Lewis, and this is my personal website that I used that I made using HTML5 and CSS. So up top, I have my navigation bar, which when you hover over it, um, it turns black. And then up here, I have my name and my major, and also as a hobby, I'm also a foreign English teacher. And then right below that, I have my About Me, which says I attend Oakland University. I'm a junior, some of the things I like, and why I chose IT. Then right at the bottom, I have my professional picture, which I purposely made into shape of oval just because I think it makes the picture look more nicer. Okay, and so for my next page, I have my projects, which were all school projects. And I also linked all my project videos from YouTube. And as you can see, it also runs. And then right below each video, I have a little description of what I did for that, what I did for that.